Hello students, myself your mentor Sachin, and dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important and small topic in a very brief manner, which is called number system. I will tell you that what is number system, what are the different type of numbers which are present in number system, and what is the hierarchy which we use in number system. So let's begin students without wasting our time. So firstly, let's understand that what is number system. Students, if someone asks us that define number system, so what we will say? We will say the collection of different types of numbers is called number system. I repeat again students for you, the collection of different type of numbers is called number system. And I'm writing here the collection of different type of numbers is called number system. Now students, let's start with from where number system begin. And I am going to tell you this hierarchy in two different ways. First with the help of a diagram and second with the help of a concept map. So student, the number system begins with natural numbers. Now what are natural numbers? So suppose that me and my friend, let us say Harshit, we both are going to play hide and seek. And Harshit says me that he is going to hide and I will have to count until he hide. So from where I'll start my counting? I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 and then up to 10 or 20 or 100. So students, naturally we have started our counting from 1 and we have count after that 2, after that 3, after that 4. So these numbers are coming naturally. So all the numbers which come naturally are called natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural numbers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What after that? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What after that? After that 10, 20, 30, which includes a 0. So when our natural numbers are mixed with 0, when students are natural numbers mixed with 0, so they become whole number. So it is very simple. Natural numbers plus 0, whole numbers like 10, 20, 100, 200, etc. etc. Students, in further lectures, in further discussions, we will learn that natural numbers are again of many types. They can be odd numbers, they can be even numbers, they can be prime numbers, and they can be composite numbers. What are these numbers? We will look in further lectures. Let's move upward to the hierarchy. Now, a question comes in our mind that, sir, if we will begin our counting, so we will start with 0. If we will move after 0, so we will get to 1, 2, 3, 4, like this is 0. If we will move after this, we will go to 1, 2, and so on. But sir, what if we go before 0? What comes before 0? So students, all the number which comes after 0, which comes before 0, and the 0 itself, they all constitute a number which is called integer. So integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are positive, so they are called positive integers, and -1, -2, -3, so negative integers. So integers are 3, negative, positive and 0. Now again a question clicks in our mind that, sir, is there something that can exist between two integers? Like between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock there exists 5 past 1, 10 past 1, quarter to 2. So is there something which can exist between 1 and 2? So students, the answer is yes. There is something which exists between two integers and that is called fraction. So what are fraction? We will study about them in more clarity. But for now, you can understand that fraction is any number which can be represented in the form of p by q, and here the value of q can be anything but not 0. For example, 5 by 6 is a fraction, -3 by 4 is a fraction, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay students? Now fraction is a very interesting concept, because there are some fractions whose results are terminating, who end at some point, like 1 by 2. If I divide 1 by 2, I will get 0.5 and finish. It has terminated. there are some fractions which give the repeated same answer. Like if I divide 1 by 3, I will get 0.333 and so on. So this is repeating. And all fractions share this property that a fraction can be terminus or a fraction can be repeating. Sir, what if a fraction is non-terminus or non-repeating? So dear students, if a fraction is non-terminus or non-repeating, before this understand that fraction and integers are collectively called rational numbers. And students, those numbers, those fractions which are non-terminus, non-repeating, they are called integers. Sorry, not integers. Sorry students, they are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay students, like root 2, irrational number. The value of pi, 22 by 7, it is irrational number because they are non-terminus, non-repeating. So that's why they are called irrational number. And students, these rational numbers and these irrational numbers both comes under a tree, under a number system which is called real number. So if we summarize what we have studied, so we can say that there are real numbers which contain an irrational number or rational number. These rational numbers can be fractional and integers. And these integer students can be positive, 0, negative. And 0 is whole number. And if we separate 0, so we will get to natural number. So students, this was a brief introduction about number system.